So after my two videos about the Ahmadiyya group, which is a deviant cult, let's be realistic, 85% of the religion has no differences. Which sect doesn't talk about praying salah, giving zakah, Saum, Hajj? Every sect agrees we must respect our parents. Every sect agrees with halal and haram. Every sect agrees with the sanctity of the Kaaba. But we feel so compelled to talk about those very things that are different amongst us, because the Ahmadiyya, also known as the Qadiani sect, aren't regarded as Muslims. Like, what's wrong with you? Are you wearing blinkers? Are you not watching what's happening around the globe? Do you really think they asked the sects before they bombed the country? Do you really think they care about the sect that you're in? How deluded are you, mate? So many people have been put off the deen because of such individuals. They're like flies who just sit on crap. If you are going to your circles and sitting with your ulama, and by the end of that gathering, if your iman hasn't increased, rather your hate for particular individuals within the ummah has increased, then don't go to that gathering again. If you are in a group that's based upon hate, whether it's hate of Sahaba, whether it's hate of the Imams, whether it's hate of scholars, no. Something that's based upon hate can never thrive. If somebody's teaching you to hate people and you're out there condemning
Muslim, non-Muslim, Muslim, kuffar, wabi, Sufi guy.
Give me a break. No individual is free from fault. Yeah, we all make mistakes, but how you address those mistakes is very important, especially in this day and age where people are already put off religion. So after my encounter with this Ahmadiyya doctor, I gave him the treatment that he was in such desperate need of. Prophet ﷺ said, yeah, verily I have only been sent to perfect righteous character. If the Prophet ﷺ was watching that conversation, would he say, yes, his Aqeedah is dodgy, yes, it's good you spoke to him like that in front of thousands of people that mashallah he has helped come back on the deen. I'm not even sure he's a doctor, yeah? Let's face it, it might just be a doctor like Dr. Pepper's a doctor. Abu Nu'aym reported that Sufyan al-Thawri rahimahullah said, if a man intended to write down the hadith, he would study good manners and worship for 20 years before doing so. Studying manners. This is a concept that's alien to us. In fact, forget studying manners, just manners. But to be honest, after speaking to him for a few minutes, it was clear that he should have just taken some paracetamol and had an early nap. So these differences of opinion, okay, cool, they exist. I know what you're thinking. Some people say,
yeah, but this is difference of opinion with regards to Aqeedah.
Alright, cool. You may think so, yeah, due to the limited knowledge that you have. But still, the laws of etiquette still apply to you as well, bro.
No, but they're Ahlul Bid'ah. Oh, they are, not from my particular sect that has 2.5 people that are going to Jannah.
In a couplet, he also said, I am neither an insect nor son of a man. I am the place of shame on a human and insult to mankind. Which place of insult? Number one, it shows how narrow-minded and selfish you are. And number two, you haven't understood the religion. Yes, have difference, yeah, ikhtilaf. But on the one hand you have ikhtilaf and then you have mukhalifat. Yeah, ikhtilaf is difference of opinion. Mukhalifat and mukhalifa is enmity. The people of knowledge would have difference of opinion amongst each other, but they wouldn't have enmity. And that's the problem that we have.